Good morning, children. Do you like to listen to the stories? Yes, I know you like to listen to the stories. Here is one story about a girl who could not stop laughing. When do you laugh? Generally, when there is something funny happening in front of you. And when do you get angry? When you fell down and somebody laughs at you. So there are two faces that you make. When you are happy, you laugh. And when you are angry, your face becomes red with anger, right? So here is a story of a girl who could not prevent her laughing. When she started laughing, she could not stop herself and she went on laughing and laughing and laughing. Ha 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 ha, like this. So let's see who's that girl. Hmm. An explosive sound erupted across 4th B classroom. Gundappan sir, the maths teacher, knew exactly where the bomb had exploded. T. Sundari, please leave the classroom, he said. The class went quiet. Everyone looked at T. Sundari, who sat on the fifth bench. Sir was very angry. But, sir, please, sir, I tried to control my laughter, but it burst out of me. Everyone in the 4th B burst out laughing too. Ha 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 ha. T. Sundari laughed a lot. She laughed for nearly everything. For example, last week, a classmate told T. Sundari this joke. Question: why does math sir always look sad? Answer: because he has to solve so many problems. T. Sundari had narrowed her eyes and giggled. No wonder everyone laughed when they saw Gundappan sir now. That's why she was laughing in Gundappan sir's period. Every joke evoked a different reaction from T. Sundari. Sometimes a guffaw, ha 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 ha. Sometimes a giggle, this way. And sometimes a polite laugh. Sometimes a ghatat kocha laugh. Ha 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 ha. Sometimes when T. Sundari tried really hard to suppress her laughter, it would burst out of her like a bomb. Like this. Ghatat Kocha, there was a giant, a Rakshasa called Ghatat Kocha in Mahabharat. He was a powerful Rakshas with loud and rumbling laugh. Ha 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 ha, like this. T. Sundari was worried. Was there something wrong with her? Why couldn't she stop laughing? She needed to do something. Dear children, tell me, do you also feel like this? That sometimes you cannot stop your laughing? So, is this something wrong with you that you cannot control your laughter? Let's see. Let's solve this puzzle with T. Sundari. Stuffing a hanky in her mouth didn't help. It just popped out of her mouth when she laughed. She was so worried that she stuffed a handkerchief in her mouth. But that didn't help her. It popped out of her mouth when she laughed. T. Sundari made a list of the things she found funny. Now see, these are the common things that you also laugh at. Similar were the things that Tisundari also felt that she laughed at. First was farts. Purr, like this. When such kind of voice was made, she used to laugh. Next was toilet jokes. The third was the word bunda. The fourth one was people sleeping on banana peels and falling down. And fifth one, tickling. When you also get tickled, you laugh, right? So she decided, I'll make sure I'll never laugh at these again, decided Tisundari. So she decided very clearly that no, not she is not going to laugh at all these things now. Next day, during library, P. Manignathan moved behind a bookcase and let out a delicate sound right next to T. Sundari. Prrr. T. Sundari, who knew a fart when she heard one, erupted in laughter, forgetting all about her list. Ha 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 ha. This was not going to work. It was time for plan B. Skandu Anna, T. Sundari's older brother and a scientist, was plan B. Maybe he could invent a machine that could stop her from laughing. When T. Sundari told him what was bothering her, Skandu Anna, who was usually the serious sort, burst out laughing. Ha 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 ha. T. Sundari wondered if this was a family problem. Did they all have the same laughing disease? No, Skandu Anna explained. T. Sundari, it is very normal for human beings to laugh when they find something funny. Some people laugh more than others, and that is fine. Really? Said T. Sundari, who had always been told she laughed too much. Yes, in fact, laughter is good for health. Skandu Anna reassured her. It releases chemicals that bring us joy. Did you know even early humans laughed? Anna asked her. T. Sundari imagined a man with a large bed and big club, giggling like her in drawing class. Yes, said Anna. Human ancestors were laughing long before they had language. It was their way of telling each other that everything was okay. Today, we laugh to show others that we like them or to express our happiness. Other animal species can laugh too. T. Sundari, like chimpanzees, bonobos, rats, dolphins, and even dogs, Anna told her. The thought of her pet Muthu laughing set T. Sundari off again. And she started laughing. Ha ha ha, how will my dog look if he will laugh? Ha ha ha. When the laughter finally subsided, Anna said, Do you know, you just exercised, T. Sundari. How, Anna? We were talking the whole time. Whenever you smile a little, the muscles of your face get to work. So, each time you giggle or laugh, it's a complete workout of your face, Anna told her. Oh, said T. Sundari. Will my chicks have biceps then? She is asking biceps. You know, dear children, that biceps we get in the arms. And she is asking whether my chicks will get the biceps. So Anna smiled. Not biceps, no. Those are in your arms. But whenever you laugh, the zygomatics major and minor muscles in your face help pull your expression upwards and outwards in a smile. Look at these faces. You can see that how our muscles get inward, outward, and they get exercised. But what about this sound that makes others laugh too? Said Sundari. So, you breathe, air passes through your vocal cords into your lungs. But when you laugh, the air is held back, leading to those rhythmic ha 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 sounds that you can't seem to stop, Anna explained. So, this is how your problem persists. So, T. Sundari, you understand that laughter is perfectly natural so long as you are not hurting anyone's feelings. There is nothing wrong with a good laugh. See, we should always remember this. What Skandu Anna has said, that we should never hurt the feelings of others through our laughter. And as long as we are not hurting anyone's feelings, there's nothing wrong with a good laugh. The Sundari felt so much better. It's almost tea time. Shall we have a bonda then? Said Skandu Anna, knowing perfectly well what would happen next. What would have happened? Right. T. Sundari started laughing again. Ha 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 ha. Bunda. Ha 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 ha. So T. Sundari couldn't stop laughing. Not even after the bonda was in her belly. She had already gulped it, eaten it up. Okay? Now, children, there is one little exercise for all of us. Can you do all these laughs? See, first one, Ghatat Kocha laugh. Mwahahahaha. Bomb laugh. Which of Vandanpalli best? Giggle. Pee 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 pee. Gargle. And a fake laugh. Ee tee. These all are the laughters and their kinds. We have seen this story from Pratham Books, One Day, One Story competition. And do you know, dear children, by whom this story is written? Yeah, you must have missed it out. I will read out the name of the author. It is Meera Ganpati and it is illustrated by Rosh. It is read under the Pratham Books One Day One Story competition by Priyanka Karadkar. Thank you. Bye dear children. Keep laughing. Ha ha ha.